Today I will show you how to change the Gmail theme on your PC in a simple step-by-step way. First, I opened Google Chrome from my desktop. Then, in the top right corner, I clicked on the Google Apps icon next to my account picture. A drop-down menu appeared. From there, I clicked on Gmail. Now, the Gmail interface opened on my screen. Next, on the left side panel, I scrolled down and clicked on Manage Labels. After that, on the top right corner, I clicked on Themes. Then I clicked on the Set Theme button. A new window opened showing many beautiful themes images. From these options, I selected one theme of my choice. Then I clicked the Save button, and instantly my Gmail background theme changed successfully. If you want to use your own custom image as a background, simply click on My Photos, choose your image and save it. And that's it. Now your Gmail look more personalized and visually attractive. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy computer videos.